There's a certain kind of summer makeup that just feels rich. Not heavy, not cakey, not the kind of face that starts separating the second you step outside. I'm talking about the kind of makeup that belongs with curly hair, gold jewelry, iced drinks, linen outfits, rooftop dinners, clean skin, and that very specific soft power energy where you look polished without looking like you tried too hard. So we're starting with skin prep. Your makeup is always going to only be as good as the skin underneath it. So I'm using a moisturizer that has a SPF 30 in it. This gives me moisture and a smoother base before makeup, and I love using products that have ingredients that really treat my skincare underneath my makeup. This is going to actively work on my skin while I'm just out and about. The psychology of makeup is truly just about working smarter, not harder. Now that the skin is prepped, we're moving on to brows. I'm using the Raw Essence Brow Elimination Gel to brush my brows upwards, and this gel is going to lock them into place. I usually use edge control because sometimes it's really hard to find an eyebrow gel or eyebrow molder that is not oily, and in the summer, that's the last thing we want. So this Raw Essence Brow Elimination Gel it's literally not going to move, you guys. Like, it's not going to move at all. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Faux Brow, and this is just a pen and it comes in different colors. Honestly, the colors are not on the pen, which I have no clue why L'Oreal did that, but I think I got dark brown and medium brown. And of course, all of the products that I'm using are going to be listed down below. So I use that pen to really just make some hair-like strokes in my eyebrows. This is summer makeup, so we don't want like a block brow. We want something dainty, soft, but still structured. Okay, so we're going in with the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion. You would have thought that this video was sponsored by L'Oreal with all of the products that I'm using, but honestly, they have some of the best. This glotion is basically lotion with glow to it. This is really going to give us that summer glow underneath our makeup. This is actually a really great product to have because you can even wear it without makeup. Now, let's move on to coverage. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is one of my favorites. Honestly, this product works really well for all occasions and all weathers, but I highly recommend it if you love a light beat or if you plan on doing summer makeup. So instead of going in with a full heavy layer of foundation and then concealer, I'm only using concealer. I've only placed the concealer where I actually need it, and that is under the eyes, around the nose to get rid of the redness, a little bit in the center of my forehead, and on my chin. Now this is creating a T shape where it's gonna create balance within our face. So essentially, we're only using concealer for coverage today. We're honestly only going to put on 2 layers of makeup for this summer makeup tutorial, which is going to be cream products and then powder. If we was to put on foundation and then concealer and then powder, that would be 3 layers. So we're really only essentially using 2 layers, and we're only using layers where we need them. So now in the places that we didn't put concealer, we are going to put bronzer. This is perfect for summer because we don't want contour. We want sheer, creamy, buildable, warm bronzer. We don't want to create a harsh stripe on our face. We want super light and skin focused. So in the midst of you doing the other steps of your makeup, if your under eye concealer starts to crease before you set it, just go back in with the brush, and I'm actually going to use a little bit of highlighter. This is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer, and I'm honestly just using the tiniest bit. But this concealer is actually another concealer that I recommend. Summer makeup is actually not a highlight and contour kind of thing. This is more so of a natural skin look. Now we're going to go into liquid blush. This is where the face starts to look alive and fresh. And honestly, liquid blush is perfect for summer because it really gives you that healthy, flush, expensive look without adding a bunch of products. I like to take the rest of the remaining blush on the brush and go over my nose because I feel like that really gives you like that summer look. And honestly, if the blush is a little too harsh, just go in with your concealer brush that you blended out your concealer with and go over the edges of that blush. Now, this is where the heat proof part really starts. You want to use a powder puff in your setting powder in all the places that you put the concealer only. You do not want to set your face where you put the blush and also where you put the bronzer. Only concealer. If you have to go back in with your brush again to make sure all your lines are, not creasing, do that, but make sure you are only putting this powder in the places that you put concealer. Key is strategic powder. I know a lot of people like to use this to set all over their face, and sometimes I do that too, but for summer makeup specifically, you only want to use this in all the places that you put concealer because that's going to create that second layer. Now, if you suffer with any type of acne, hyperpigmentation, or anything that you kind of want to cover, I would use a powdered foundation in all of the places that we didn't put any makeup. So for me, I didn't put any makeup on my jawline or kind of right under my bronzer. So I'm gonna use this powdered foundation to make sure I use that to cover. So I'm going and setting my bronzer. I'm not gonna use a contour powder. I'm gonna use a bronzing powder. This is gonna really bring that glow to our face. And I wanna make sure that I put that around my forehead because that's the part that is really gonna make you look like you're glowing. Now, the main trick for summer makeup is to use an orange blush. I know pink blush is all of the rage right now, but orange blush is really gonna give you that summer glow. I like to use orange blush and then put a pink blush right on top. That way I'm kind of mixing these tones and I'm kind of layering this, so that way it's kind of like a transition. And then I go in with my powder puff with no additional products and just make sure that it's super blended out. Now, as you can see, my entire base is flawless. Like literally, I am obsessed. So this is where you move on to eyes. Eyes are obviously optional. You can do whatever you want. I just sped this process up because I just did some brown mascara and then some brown eyeliner. And then I realized that I wanted to put on lashes. So I just made sure to use brown eyeliner in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes just so it had some definition. And then I added a really thin layer of lashes just so that, you know, this can look really natural. Yeah, eyes are all up to you. It's whatever you want to do. So now we're going to move into the highlighting powder. This is another part that's going to make us super glowy. So highlighter is super important in this look because this is going to make you look like you are literally sun-kissed. I'm only placing this where I want controlled light, which is my cheekbones, my nose, under my brow bone, under my eyebrow, and on top of my eyebrow. And in summer, you have to be really careful with your highlight because your natural oils are already going to show, so you don't want to overdo it. Something that I find that makes makeup look super effortless is using a lip liner that has a gray undertone. If you use a lip liner that has an orange or red undertone, everyone's gonna know you have on makeup, which is fine, but it just takes away from the effortlessness of it all. All products are going to be down below. Make sure you click the link to my LTK because all of the lip products, literally everything is gonna be down below. So next is setting our makeup. So this step is super important. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. If you love the One Size Until Dawn setting spray and you are looking for a cheaper version because maybe it's too expensive, I highly, highly, highly recommend this setting spray. Now, if you need to do any touch-ups, you want to make sure that you are putting your powder puff, your lip liner, and your lip gloss in your bag. Make sure you walk around with your powder puff because this is really going to help you. If you like blotting papers instead, definitely use that. But these are the 3 products that you need to put in your purse. And these are the products that I recommend for heat-proof summer makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so happy to be back to doing tutorials. I miss it so much. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want more tutorials that have more drama. See you guys. Bye.